We are up bright and early today. I'm with Abby.
We're on the hunt for drop bears.
Yeah. It's probably what, like 6:45 now?
Yeah.
And we're at Pomona Mountain having a go at that this morning. We've actually started climbing now, so.
It's so beautiful.
Yeah. I reckon we just made it up the steepest section.
We just channeled out in a Spider-Man.
Yeah, absolutely. More stairs. We think we're still halfway. We really have not made much progress. Look where we are.
We're still halfway.
No jokes, we actually made it. We're finally at the top.